If you want to apply for Medicaid in Texas, this video is for you because, honestly, many people think the application process is complicated when it's actually much easier once you know the steps first check. If you may qualify for Medicaid is generally available for eligible children pregnant, women, seniors, people with disabilities, and certain low-income individuals, and families. Next, go to the official Texas Benefits website and create an account, then select Apply for Benefits and choose Medicaid. You'll be asked to provide information such as your name, address, household, member's income, and other personal details. Make sure all the information is accurate because it will be used to determine your eligibility. After completing the application, submit any requested documents such as proof of identity, proof of income, or proof of residency. Once your application is submitted, Texas Health and Human Services will review it and contact you if additional information is needed. Approved, you'll receive information about your Medicaid coverage and how to use your benefits. Now, a quick tip: have your documents ready before starting because it can make the process much faster. So, to summarize, check your eligibility, create an account, complete the Medicaid application, submit any required documents, and wait for the approval decision because, honestly, applying for Medicaid in Texas is much easier when you follow the process step by step.